also dream of looking attractive like a model, but then you think, how can I do that? Relax. You don't need expensive products or put in excessive effort. I'm going to show you 7 scientifically proven tips that will make your personality and looks effortlessly amazing. And remember, the third tip is so surprising that it will make you rethink everything. Now, I'm about to share with you 7 game-changing tips that will not only enhance your looks, but also take your confidence to the next level. These tips aren't just for models, they work for everyone. But here's the thing. Just like the third tip, tip number 5 is so powerful that it will instantly change the way people perceive you. What is it? Trust me, if you miss it, everything else will feel incomplete. So, make sure to stay till the end of the video. The first tip is your posture. You've seen models, right? They're always standing tall, shoulders back, and chest slightly out. Why? Because a confident posture instantly makes you appear dominant and attractive. Research shows that 70% of your first impression is formed by your body language. So, take a moment and check your posture in the mirror. But after posture, there's something else that will enhance your face's symmetry and make it hard for people to look away. Ready for tip number 2? Stay tuned. Second tip, face grooming. Next up is face grooming, which is the foundation of looking attractive. Do you prefer a clean, shaven look or a light stubble? It all depends on your face shape and personality. Here's a pro tip. Make sure to include exfoliation in your skincare routine. It helps even out your skin tone and removes dead skin, giving you a natural glow. But in the next tip, I'll share a special grooming trick that will take your everyday look to a whole new level, professional and polished. Don't miss it. Third tip, dressing style. Now let's talk about dressing style, which plays a huge role in defining your overall personality. Fit matters more than fashion. Always wear clothes that complement your body shape. But there's something else that can change the game. Colors. Do you know which color scheme suits your skin tone the most? In the next tip, I'll talk about color psychology. Trust me, this is one detail you don't want to skip. Fourth tip, color psychology. Never underestimate the power of color psychology. Studies show that shades of red and black project confidence and dominance, which naturally makes you look more attractive. But here's the catch: this isn't for everyone. You need to choose your signature color based on your skin tone and vibe. But wait, tip number 5 is something that only professional models follow. Ready to unlock the secret? Fifth tip, the right use of accessories. Tip number 5 is all about using accessories correctly. A stylish watch, a minimalist bracelet, or a pair of classy sunglasses can instantly elevate your look. But here's a warning. Overusing accessories can make your look cluttered and less appealing. Balance is key. And after all of this, there's one more tip left that will make you the complete package. Don't miss tip number 6. Tip 6. Your perfume. Tip number 6 is all about your perfume. A good fragrance doesn't just enhance your looks. It makes your presence unforgettable. Research shows that people remember you because of your smell 80% of the time. But here's the secret: where and when you apply your perfume is just as important. Apply it on pulse points like your wrists and neck, but avoid overdoing it. And now, the biggest tip. Tip number 7 is the ultimate test for your looks, confidence, and personality. If this goes wrong, all your effort will go to waste. So, stay tuned. Tip 7. Confidence. Tip number 7 is the most important: confidence. Because no matter what you do, if you don't have confidence in yourself, everything else falls short. You can wear the best clothes, have the best looks, but if you lack self-belief, your impact will be weak. Keep your body language, expressions, and mindset positive. When you're confident from within, everything about you becomes naturally attractive. Confidence is your most powerful accessory. Follow these 6 tips and witness the biggest change in your life, making yourself feel like a model. What do you think? Which tip do you think will work best for you? Make sure to share your feedback in the comments. I'm excited to hear from you. If you like these tips, don't forget to hit like and subscribe to the channel. Get ready for the next video, because this is just the beginning. So make sure to subscribe, because we're about to change your life.